Okay, I'm sorry, the same car. The same car, 2016 Honda Pilot. We need to diagnose using aftermarket tools to compare between this code, the camera, and what the results. So I'm gonna go here. I will see if I have in the history 2016 Pilot. I gotta go to history. I don't have nothing in. So now here I have the same car. If you see here, this is a code. Lost communication with a millimeter wave. Lost communication with it. But the U3000-49 is, it's a wave radar internal electronic failure camera unit or millimeter, one of them. This one will give you a little bit of detail. And what I need to do now is go back again here and take this one, but go to diagnose. This time I will scan the whole car. Initialize, diagnose, auto scan. I'm gonna scan the whole car, all system. After I finish, I will go to one thing to see if I'm communicating with this unit. If it's not, we have to get another one. By the way, this is sitting here in this area like this. It have a clips here that can go in. It's very simple. That's how it go. Also, when you put it in, try to move like anything like this. This is not acceptable. Radar, okay, fell down. Move those, all the objects around here. The windshield must be original windshield, so you don't need to have a problem. Okay, I'm gonna go yes. Okay, yes. Now I'm running the diagnose. By the way, those are the codes. ABS no fault. Gauge we have 4 faults. %. %. Engine have 3 fault. LKS camera ECU no response. You see, this is my problem. LKC control ECU no response. There's a lot of computer no responding. There are some details here different. Okay, let me see integrated. No response. You see there is some item no responding. No responding, multi-camera view no responding. It's okay. So there's a lot of stuff no responding. Let me see what I integrated drive support system. Maybe that's a different ECU information. This is for the, I believe, radar system. Let me see here what you need. Adjustment. But there is no communication with the radar, with the camera. Radar in static camera. Let me see static camera. Say okay. Say okay. I want to see if I'm communicating with it or not. You see, maybe I will not be able to communicate with the camera. Yeah, Mama. Here is more than 5 minutes. There is nothing there, so it is not working. But if you go to radar, you're gonna see something. Let me do something again. Okay, what happened to the ABS? Read codes. Sometimes the ABS F-can, you see, I'm not able to communicate with the drive support system on permanent. So that means there is a problem with this piece here. I have to get another one. I'm gonna get the part number, and then from there I will do my best to go to the next. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.